Welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This is part 5 of Fall 22B. This new jacket came in. Can't wait to give this one a try. I am going to show you the price tags right now, right here in the very beginning, so everybody knows the price and the style. So here's the jacket. This is a 34 just to try. I would need a larger one, and it's 56. This is comes in black as well, and it actually has a pair of matching sweats, and here is the pullover information. Here is, now I don't recall the collection of this, I'll take a look here, but here's a pair of sweats. We'll take a look at these ones just to see how it looks. So here is, yep, it sure is 22B, here you go. Here's the information for this particular pair. This I had tried in the past, but needed a larger size, so hopefully it is 22B and not A. Yeah, this is a 22A piece, so I'll toss it in here in this video anyway, in case you were interested. It does have a matching tuxedo jacket. This piece here was also 22A, and here is the tag for this, and the price was $16.50. This sweater, I have not tried this in any of my other videos yet. It is very heavy, by the way. The weight is very heavy, so just a heads up. It is a 22B, it's $25.50, and here is the tag. This is one of the tops I couldn't wait to try because I have a pink skirt that has some of this color in it, and I want to see how it looks. This is a size 38. It looks really big in person, but right now I need really big, so here we go. Here's the tag, here's the price, $2,000. And then these are the pieces you've already seen in my other video. They are just here because they've been tailored, and I am picking them up. So that is for, you can check out video 2 if you want to see these pieces. Now I will show you another piece here that appeared in the fitting room. I love it when my FA does that. I really do, actually. I find sometimes the best stuff. So this one is hefty 6,500, super soft. But you know, my initial reaction to this one is it looks a little growny for me. The coloring, this is dark black, by the way. The coloring in here, the lighting in here, for you'd think for Chanel would be better, but it's not. So yeah, there's a jacket to try, and then here is a pair of lovely sweats, and they do feel like cashmere, but I'll see what they are. And let me show you the tag for this one. And then I'll just start trying these on, and we'll get started. So this one's $54.50. Oh, this is actually 22A, and here is the tag for that one in case you want to give it a shot. All right, so welcome again, 22B video 5, and we'll try on these pieces and see how they fit. Okay, so here's the first pieces. This is also 22B, as I had shown you with the tags and the prices. It's just a simple pullover. For me, it's not special enough to spend this kind of money on. That's just my opinion. Now let me show you these really interesting sweats. As I walk closer, you can see the detail. Here's how they look in the back. These may be the most overpriced sweats on the planet, seriously, but I have to admit, they are probably the most comfortable pair of pants I've ever put on in my life. So if you're looking for a unique pair of really comfortable, really expensive gray sweats, these might be for you, maybe. This is a 38, yeah, it's a 38, and I will bet you, if I'm not right, then I'll update it in my next little segment. But I will bet you these are 100% cashmere. They're probably just too big, pretty slouchy, don't really fit the behind very well. Exceptionally comfortable. I don't know how to stress that enough. So if you're looking for pretty cute daytime wear that you could go out in because it has a bunch of, you know, shiny C's, that one's an option. All right, now on to the next. Okay, everyone, so here is the same top that I already had on. I can kind of see its versatility now that I've had it on with 2 pieces and it looked really good. Here's the pant. Very comfortable, nice fitting, feels good, looks good on the behind. This is my new size, a 38. For reference, I'm 5'4", 120 pounds at the moment, 112 coming up next, I hope by video 7, hopefully. Yeah, I think they're actually really cute. I was not exactly. I did not have this one on my list, these pants. Okay, they were not on any wish list, but they appeared here. I tried them on. I like them. We'll see if I end up with them at some point, but that's what they look like. Hope that helps some of you. On to the next piece. Okay, so now for the jacket that we were wondering if it would look granny. Yes, unfortunately it does. Even my fashion advisor and I were both kind of curious how it was going to look. It's too boxy, and so it's beyond comfortable, by the way. If you want a beyond comfortable jacket, and you can rock this, I think a shredded pair of jeans, something like that, definitely could pull this off. But here is here's what it looks like from this angle, and it's just too boxy, too granny. So this one's a hard no. Okay, so here is a jacket that's been out. I did not include that in my lineup, so I'll show you the tag. But jacket that's been out for a little bit now, several days, and it's another one of, you know, I'd put it in the too granny group. It fits really well everywhere. It's a 34. It fits really well everywhere, but I can't even zip it if I wanted to. So the sizing, this collection's been really off, and it continues to be off, in my opinion, as pieces roll in. I didn't see this one before. So here is the tag for those of you interested in finding this piece. I think it could look amazing again with some kind of shredded denim, but I'm a shredded denim junkie. So here's the tag, and then here's the price, which will be mind-blowing, $11,000. So let's take a look at these pants here for a moment. These are the pants that match my jacket, and I think that was in 22A's video, and it's a tuxedo jacket. This the straight leg is really nice. The fit on the back is really nice. When I try to do this, I wouldn't even be able to sit down. So for my body style and type, the cut would not work. I like that they're a skinny leg and they have room for a bigger butt, but they're not very flattering in my opinion. So again, a hard no for me. And on to the next. And this top, again, I'm kind of going back a little bit. This one here was it put in the room for me. This is from 22A. For those of you that like this, there's a dress, a full-length dress in the same fabric, same color. This is a 38. You can see its fit. And you can see here, it's some bulky tags. They started adding these sensors all over, so sometimes it gets a little difficult to show you, but you can see, I mean, this outfit together, right, certainly slenderizes you. It's taken the fact that I haven't been to the gym in the last 2 weeks battling a cold a little bit less obvious, but anyway, it's a really nice top. It's not adjustable in the straps. I was kind of hoping it would be, so those of you wondering, it's not. You're gonna have to get it tailored. But you know, overall, is it like just a wow piece? No, not so much, not in my opinion, but love to know what you all think. I'll try on the next one. Okay, so this is the top that I was waiting for. My fashion advisor thinks it's gonna be too big. I totally disagree. Like too big here when she saw it. I saw it too, it does look like it's really wide. My body is just that wide now. So I think it's super cute. Even here, even at a 38, it does pull a bit in the chest, but I think the top, I know a few people in my life that are into fashion that tell me never to buy this color. I actually think it looks really nice, so that's just my opinion. So I do like this top, and I think it will go well with the skirt from the second video that you'll see. That's pink, gray. It's a kind of heavier, it's a 38 pink heavy knit skirt. That's what I plan to wear this one with if I pick it up. So let me know what you think about this one. On to the next. All right, now on to what my fashion advisor calls the avocado jacket. It's one of my favorite colors. If you have green eyes, then green and purple, as you know, can bring out, trying to get down to the camera low, can bring out your eye color. So I always look for green. I love green and white. I love purple. It's been under Lagerfeld, right? We didn't have too many of those colors, so now we do. So here's the fit of this jacket. This is a 34, and keep in mind, I usually have a 36 or 38 jacket. So it feels and looks very bulky in the arms, in the collar, and here. It's too much fabric. It's too much. Now, I can't button this bottom one, so I would actually need to size up, and I would have even more fabric. So unfortunately, I can't do this jacket, even though I really love the color a lot. All right, now a top that a lot of you may be waiting for. It is thick, nice. You could wear this, and I would wear this in Aspen. That's what I would do. Thick, nice top. To me, it's just a little basic for For the money, I would rather just get something a little more simple, I guess, and spend my money at Chanel getting tweeds and other beautiful pieces. But I know many of you like these tops and knits, and I get asked more questions about these and the price and style than any other pieces. So I'm trying it for those of you that are interested. It feels really soft, fantastic fabric. A lot of this collection feels really good. Here's how it fits in the back. And I showed you in the beginning of the video, if you haven't seen it, we have all the style numbers and size and price. So I hope this helps you decide if you're interested in this piece. And now on to more. These are the new size smalls that are here, that are in, and you can see this one here in gray. This is the one that has the top handle, but also has the longer handle, the new style. And see if I can find the price for all of you who are wondering. And I will also show you up close the fabric. So this is 22B, actually it says medium, okay, so this is the medium. On the back it says large shopping tote. So I guess it depends on if you're gonna look at the description on the online app or if you're gonna look here, and it's 3,800, and I'm sure that this other one is the same price. So in terms of color, it is definitely gray. The words Chanel are, I would say they are light tan. Actually, they're not off-white. They have some tan in them. So that's this. It feels very soft, by the way. And then also this one. This is a denim one. It looks denim. Okay, so it's actually navy blue, but it looks denim to me. And when I first saw it sitting outside, I said, oh, well, they got a denim tote in. So here's what it looks like inside, so you can see the colors. And this is the tag for those of you looking for it. It does say dark blue and white, and yeah, it is also 3,800. So here's the tag. So quick update. This is how they look, by the way. I'm again 5'4" for reference. That's how it looks on. So quick update on the Deauville's and what the options are for 22B. These two pieces right here. This one and this one. So which one do you like? Would love to hear your thoughts. All right, everyone, so you may have seen my 5 videos of 22B, and I just want to show you. This is actually one of my favorite outfits from this entire 22AB collection. The funky sweats and this probably too big for me tube top. I just love this. So would love to know what you all think. So I'm tongue-tied today. And that's how it looks in the back. Again, it's not the most figure flattering, but it feels so good on. And you know, that to me just means a world of difference. So what do you think? What do you think of the funky sweats? And what do you think of the tank? The tube top?